Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add printer to Orcaslicer. So let's jump into our model here. For example, that I can show you like so. Now what we are going to do next is look at the top left corner of the screen under the project settings. Find the printer drop down menu and click the gear icon. So if we have it here, printer, uh, what we can do is here at the top right of this printer you will see this icon, which is these are basically it's the menu at the back. So when it's opened, you will see that here you have bunch of printers. So in this window you will select which 3D printer do you have. So Creality, Bamboo Lab, Prusa, Lego, you have Delta Maker, Dreamer. So you have really bunch of these 3D printers. Now let's say I will select here Bamboo Lab, and yeah, select this one for example and just confirm. Now it will take a few moments. Like that. And now what we can do here is also select the nozzle next to it. So we have from 0.2 to 0.8. I will leave it on 0.4. So 0.4 nozzle is most standard printer use. Now what we can do is now you can also see the filament change. So PLA basics, we can also change here what we would like to have. And yeah, this is pretty much it. You finished basically importing, adding your printer into it. Then here you just need to change these filaments, and yeah, you already know what you have on your printer. And yeah, so I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the